What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mint. I'm back in with another video. Today we're just going to do a general cryptocurrency and NFT market update, talk about some upcoming mints that I think have some good potential. And as the cryptocurrency market is taking a slight bleed and moving sideways, a lot of NFT projects are rallying upwards. This could be the beginning of an NFT Bull Run 2.0, or this could be a fake out. And so hopping over to the general cryptocurrency market, you can see on the 7-day Bitcoin and Ethereum have been correcting. They have gone even lower. I believe Bitcoin testing under 60,000. So at this point, from past experience, it looks like cryptocurrency and NFTs are inversely related, especially with Ethereum. So if Ethereum's going down or sideways, NFTs are going up. And if we come over here to Dune Analytics, we can actually see the daily and monthly volume of OpenSea. And wow, like look right here. Just last week, we're at all-time lows from the last couple of months. And out of nowhere, there was just a consistent volume. This comes to kind of beg the question, are we in a bull run 2.0 for NFTs? You know, it might be a little too early to say that because right now Ethereum is still going sideways and it hasn't had that bloody 20-30% dip that shakes out a lot of weak hands to where we can kind of be certain that another bull run is coming for NFTs. But while there is a lot of volume coming into OpenSea, you know, this may be a good opportunity to buy in some of those projects that have not fully retraced back to their all-time highs, or sell some projects gone up in price and you're in profit. Volume comes and goes with NFTs, and if right now we're in a high volume opportunity, it might be good to unload some of your NFTs. I'm using this opportunity personally to actually sell a lot of my projects that I bought just a few weeks ago at all-time lows, as now that they are in profit, and I'm going to look for the next run down of the NFT marketplace to kind of re-enter. Right now, some of those blue chips are actually coming right back to their all-time highs, with, you know, Bored Apes being the first project right here. Just last week or 2 weeks ago, they were sitting just at 30 Ethereum floor, and now they're at 51. And then their sister project, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, was sitting just under 3 Ethereum, and now they're at 7.69. Those good projects will be the first ones to get the volume, and their price will reflect so. If that volume continues to go up, then those mid-tier and lower cap projects are going to follow as well. But you can't be certain that that will happen until you kind of watch what Ethereum does. Everyone still believes Ethereum is going to hit about 10K by the end of the year, and if it does follow that track, NFTs will continue to bleed. Definitely be observing what the cryptocurrency market and Ethereum is doing to kind of make a safe bet. Right now, a lot of the blue chip projects I had mentioned before gone up quite a bit. So I've mentioned the Doge Pound during that last NFT drop, and they sat right about 2 Ethereum floor. Now they're bouncing right back up to 3. And then if you got in, I love Doodles, and it held that 1 Ethereum floor very well. When those projects show strength in a bear trend, it's a good indication that they're going to be the first ones to get rewarded once we do turn back on a bull trend. And as you see now, they're sitting at a 3.4 floor price, and if you got that at the dip, you're looking at a crazy 3 to 5 plus X return on your investment. So now these are projects that are currently on the uptrend, and I think a lot of the other mid cap tiers will also be going up if this continues. So Subducks, Creatures, Pudgy Penguins, things of that nature. Those projects should be ensuing with more volume and price action, and then it'll trickle down more. But if we're continuing this NFT bull run and people are still trying to get into some new projects, I actually found a few new upcoming projects that have not yet to be minted. These projects look really good and have a lot of potential from what I'm seeing. So the first project I want to talk about is Crypto Walkers. Crypto Walkers currently has a pre-sale mint date for November 17th, which is today, and then November 18th, tomorrow, will be the actual final sale. But according to their Discord, they were discussing about pushing that back, so there might actually be more time to enter the mint. This project at the core is a 3D animated project that will essentially take place in the metaverse. All of these NFTs will have a basic animation that's already preset, so you can actually visualize what NFT will be doing. Hopping over to their website, you can see that there actually was a lot of development done. This looks like a really well done website. A nice overview here, pretty much stating it's going to be 10,000 unique characters, full body and custom 3D backgrounds, and the purpose will be to integrate this project with the metaverse. And they currently already have a partnership with Netvarg set up, as well as plans to buy more land and develop on the metaverse. Here we have some more images and videos of what the NFTs will look like. I really like this project. I resonate with the character and the art style. It looks like there was some good development going into the project, as well as a skilled artist behind it. it. Looking down at the roadmap here, you can see that they actually have plans of making a play to earn game, and it is currently in development, as well as integrating the project with the metaverse. They have a lot of plans for the future, and I think NFTs in general will kind of go down into the metaverse for the next step. So all those 3D projects that can easily be integrated into Sandbox, Decentraland, Netvark, any metaverse play will be where the space heads to next. This project also has a fully doxed team with notable people in the NFT space who have all been very dedicated on this project, and I think they have amassed a good community behind it. So far from their Discord, it looks like it's been organically grown. All future updates will be noted there, so I'll drop all the information in the description below. Check them out, join the Discord, see if you're interested, and if you get a chance, feel free to go for the mint. Next project I want to talk about is Wolves. So this is a community development and utility token project with the development of the AWU token. So this is another pixelated play with a limited supply cap. I believe they stated that they were going to release between 5,000 to 8,000 NFTs, and this is actually very early in the project. They still don't have a defined roadmap or planned integrations with any NFT or metaverse community, but from the looks of it, a lot are still being worked on the background. I'm not completely sold on this project yet, but I have been watching them, and they have garnered a lot of attention in the last few weeks. So they started only at about, a few hundred followers, and now they're upwards of 4,000. And if you go to their Discord, they're sitting at about 13,000 members. It was just at about 4,000 not too long ago. So this is something I would definitely keep my eye out for. They don't have any dates for their mint, their NFT drop, the price, the roadmap. So a lot of development is still underway. But so far, I've really liked what I'm seeing with the project. It just resonates well with me. I'm really into the pixelated, furry, cute aspect of this project. And if they have more opportunities for updates, it'll be shown here. They also have a ton of whitelist opportunities. So definitely get into the Discord, get involved with the community. And if you get a whitelist spot and this project blows up, you'll be sure to get in early. So the last project I want to talk about is Coldblooded Creeps. And now this is also a very early project. They still don't have a mint date, and being how new they are, they still have a developing roadmap. That being said, because of how early they are, they still have a lot of whitelisting opportunities. And this is another profile picture project with the aspect and angle of conspiracy theories. And if we hop over to their website, you can see this is another project with a utility token all about conspiracy theories, have these weird creature lizard people like artwork as their NFT, and there will be a utility token or the Illuminati token in play. There's also only going to be 6,666 of these NFTs available, so with the limited supply, there is more price volatility and the opportunity for a breakout. Here they give a little background about the project, saying that they're the lizards that live underneath Earth, conspiracy theories intermingled with the blockchain. This team is also fully doxed with transparency from their founders, and with their backing and commitment, this project could see its way through to becoming a future blue chip. As you see here, just the website alone, it looks like they did put quite a bit of work into the project. I do like this artwork. It's very different. It's a little trippy, pretty creepy. They have this whole lizard people aspect with the Illuminati backing. This is a very original project. Not a lot of projects have done something along these lines, and they have very similar utility that a lot of the best projects do currently today. So like I said, there will be a utility token, the Illuminati token, that will be given to all holders of their Coldblooded Creeps. They're also going to have a $1 million DAO created right in the beginning to seed the expansion of this project. And so that's something that if they can actually hold true and see all the way through, this project off the get-go could take off. They're in very early right now with, under 1,000 Twitter followers. And if they're committing to $1 million DAO treasury fund to expand this project, there's only upside potential here. Coming down, there's just more aspects and traits with the NFTs itself. You can see some Dior clothing, bones in their head, cigarettes, things of that nature. They also have their blueprint and roadmap down here. And a lot of this is still in development. So, they have their baseline roadmap for the future. This is a project that's still kind of under wraps, but I think that when they do pick up momentum and start their marketing campaign, developing more partnerships before their drop, this project could very well take off. Seeing how new it is, they still have a ton of whitelist opportunities, so I definitely advise you to check out their Discord, see what the community and project are about, and try to get yourself on that whitelist. And with these Genesis collections, it's a give or take. You never know if they're going to blow up or not, but following along from the beginning gives you the best opportunity to get whitelisted early. And if this does blow up as a project, you already have yourself a spot. Multiple drops for this project are coming, and when you get in early with these projects, projects and you believe in the team and the community, it's a lot easier to hold through those turbulent times. And while overall cryptocurrency markets are kind of trending sideways and NFTs are blowing up, this might be a time to do your research, get integrated with the community, and maybe during the next bear trend buy in, or test your luck and get in when they do mint. And then coming down all the way here at the bottom, they do have a semi-docs team, so all of the individuals and their background can be found here, but this isn't necessarily a human to the face, so take it for what it is. This isn't the most ideal situation, but from the community Discord, it seems like the founders are very dedicated and committed to this project. Some of these individuals are big in the NFT space, so their credibility is on the line if anything goes south. But overall, I think this is a really cool project with some cool artwork and a different aspect with a limited supply. And if they have a fair mint price of between 0.05 to 0.08 Ethereum, I think this would be a great minting opportunity, especially if you get in on the whitelist. That's all I have for the video today, guys. Remember to give me a follow on Twitter to stay up to date with everything I'm talking about. That's the video today, guys. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I do recommend you do your own due diligence before investing in any of these projects. So just remember to like, subscribe, turn on that bell notification to stay up to date. Until next time, guys, catch you guys later.